Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Apex Legends not launching from Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate the Steam shortcut on your desktop and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the necessary permissions to make changes and can often resolve launching issues that occur due to restricted access. Once Steam opens, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window and click on Library. This will take you to your game collection where you can manage all your installed titles. In the left panel, find Apex Legends in your game list. Right-click on it and select Properties from the menu. This opens a new window with various settings and options specific to Apex Legends. Now look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and toggle it off. The Steam overlay can sometimes interfere with game launching, especially if there are conflicts with other software or if the overlay itself is experiencing issues. Disabling it is a quick fix that resolves the problem for many players. Next, in the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section allows you to manage and verify the game files directly, which is crucial when troubleshooting launch failures. Once you're in the Installed Files section, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This tool scans all your game files and compares them against Steam's records. If any files are corrupted, missing, or modified, Steam will automatically download and replace them. This process is essential because even a single corrupted file can prevent the game from launching properly. Now you'll need to wait for the scan to finish. Depending on your game size and internet speed, this might take a few minutes. Steam will show you the progress, and once it's done, it will notify you if any files were repaired or reacquired. Give the process time to complete fully before trying to launch the game again. Additionally, you need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are one of the most common causes of games failing to launch. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether that's Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific card. Installing the newest drivers ensures compatibility with Apex Legends and can resolve many performance and launching issues. After completing these steps, your Apex Legends should launch properly from Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.